The point is,
Yeah.
Mr. Sikandar,
Yeah.
you're not only reading this,
Right.
every mistake will cost you, you decide how much.
No, you decide, no, since you're the money-minded person.
I'm not the money-minded person.
What will it cost me? 500 rupees?
Okay,
Okay.
500
After that,
rupees.
we'll do Panja. Whoever wins will take 10,000 rupees, okay?
No, you will win in Punjab.
Then
I will let you win in Punjab.
Oh, you will let
Okay, so what are you reading?
Okay. Safarnama, Janvi Bhatt. Thank you for being an inspiration. कुछ भी हो सकता है. I hope you love reading Safarnama, Janvi Bhatt.
ये उन्होंने मेरे लिए लिखा है. अच्छा, चलो ठीक.
I read it.
नहीं बेटा, पेज निकालो ना. हाँ, पेज निकालो और पढ़ो. प्रस्तावना ही पढ़ दे.
प्रस्तावना.
It's not प्रस्तावना, it's प्रस्तावना.
प्रस्तावना. I was only repeating it. कोरा कागज और जिंदगी दोनों ही कई मायने में अधूरे से होते हैं.
नहीं, जोर से पढ़ो भाई साहब.
सर अभी मैं सही कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं,
तो आप
जोर से पढ़ो ना.
क्यों जोर से पढ़ूं मैं?
इसलिए जोर से
तो
पढ़ो.
I should yell and read यार.
नहीं, because आप
I read with नजाकत.
read with नजाकत so that it can be audible.
कोरा कागज और जिंदगी दोनों ही कई मायने में अधूरे से होते हैं, लेकिन केवल तब तक जब तक इनमें कोई रंग नहीं भरता, इन्हें संपूर्ण नहीं करता. जीवन तो एक मात्र सफर है.
क्या
नवनवीन
क्या
नवनवीन.
Okay, that is 2,000 rupees already. You
Why
get the
it's
same.
navnaveen? It's navnaveen. What is this word, sir?
नहीं, पहले
ये क्या वर्ड क्या है सर? ये वर्ड क्या है?
ये नवनवीन है.
तो मैंने क्या
नहीं,
बोला था?
आपने नव
नहीं,
नवीन.
I got it ना. नवनवीन अनुभवों का हमारा सौभाग्य. Why do you keep laughing when I'm getting everything right? It makes no sense.
I can laugh because
I can't read it the way you and Kader Khan Sahab and all these people ऐसे बोलते हैं.
Sikandar, you're doing very well.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल कर रहा हूँ.
माँ के जज्बात जाग गए.
नवनवीन
अभी इसके बाद इंग्लिश पढ़वाऊंगी मैं अनुभव से.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है.
They're saying लाजवाब.
अनुभवों का हमारा सौभाग्य ही समझ लीजिए कि मानव जीवन हमें प्राप्त हुआ. हमें ये वरदान मिला है कि हम बुद्धि के इस्तेमाल के साथ साथ
Have you till the place that you
एहसास
no
भी
sense has come out of it.
अरे मैं पढ़ तो रहा हूँ. दिलों के एहसास भी महसूस कर सकते हैं और जिंदगी के इस सफर को अगर किसी कविता का रूप मिले तो उस गहराई में डूब जाना ही. बहुत सारे मात्रा है यार इसमें.
इससे तो प्रधानमंत्री की चिट्ठी.
What is सर्वोत्तम है. Okay.
So do you think you should
I'm
give me 500 rupees for this?
I'm getting used to it. Hang on.
No, don't get upset just because you
You
can't
laugh
read it.
because I'm reading it. I've got nothing wrong till now.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
No? Really?
No.
Well, I don't think he's got anything.
I also don't.
What are you
think
saying?
I have hesitated, but he's not got anything.
Exactly.
माँ के जज्बात बेटे के लिए कितने निकल रहे हैं.
हाय, सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए निकले, बेटे के लिए ना निकले. उधर करो.
मेरे लिए तो कभी भी नहीं निकलते.
सरकार की
मेरे लिए कहाँ
कविताओं
निकलते हैं?
में सच्चाई तथा गहराई है
हाँ.
जो आजकल कम देखने को मिलती है.
अच्छा.
सवालों की मासूमियत, जवाबों की उत्सुकता, नए अनुभवों की
2,500.
जिज्ञासा, इन सब का अनोखा मेल है. इन कविताओं में बदलाव का सुझाव है. स्थितियों की शुरुआत अज्ञान है, किंतु
करेक्ट है.
कठिन परिस्थिति के प्रायश्चित ज्ञान का.
It's not प्रायश्चित.
It's प्रायश्चित.
It's प्रायश्चित.
Oh my God, yeah. Really? You
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
get nitpicky about it?
Yes, of course. Like you get nitpicky about my
प्रायश्चित का
English.
ज्ञान नहीं, your English is a different cup of tea, Olympics.
Oh my God.
का अजियारा है। इस पर कबीर का दोहा याद आता है।
अरे बर्बाद होने वाला मामला। चलिए,
संत कबीर।
क्या दोहा है जी सर जी?
सर जी, ये दोहा ये है,
हाँ
चलती चक्की देखकर,
हाँ, दोबारा बोलिए। मुकर्रर।
चलती चक्की देखकर,
इधर कैमरे में देख के बोलिए।
चलती चक्की देखकर
हाँ,
दिया कबीरा रोए।
चलती चक्की देखकर दिया कबीरा रोए।
जी, दो
दिया कि देख कभी ना रोए।
नहीं, वो पढ़ रहा है ना, उसको तो पढ़ने दो ना।
दो पाटन के बीच में
हाँ,
सबूत बचाना कोई।
सबूत नहीं, देखो,
साबुत।
साबुत बचाना कोई, सबूत
साबुत,
बचा।
साबुत।
हाँ। नहीं, हेलो,
साबुत।
गलती
वो
को
ये वही है ना, वो
एक्सेप्ट करना।
साबुदाने की खिचड़ी।
नहीं, जैसे
इसी
साबुत
बात में
मतलब
खत्म हुआ जवाब मेरा। कितने पैसे हुए सर?
सर ये 3,500 रुपये।
चलिए पंजा करें।
नहीं, क्यों करें पंजाब?
बहुत मजा आया आपको?
हाँ, आपकी बहुत तारीफ कर रहे हैं लोग बाग इसमें
जी
यहाँ पर।
बिल्कुल। देव तुम्हारे कई उपासक कई ढंग से आते हैं, सेवा में बहुमूल्य
ये लिखा
वस्तुएं
नहीं है।
लाकर तुम्हें चढ़ाते हैं।
नहीं लिखा है।
मैं कैसे स्तुति करूं तुम्हारी है स्वर में माधुर्य।
बिल्कुल नहीं लिखा है
मन
ये।
का भाव प्रकट करने को वाणी में चातुर्य।
ये खाली पेज पढ़ रहे हो।
नहीं दान है नहीं दक्षिणा, खाली हाथ चली आई, पूजा की विधि नहीं जानती फिर भी नाथ यहाँ है।
नहीं, ये इसको याद है।
अच्छा नहीं, मैं तो पढ़ रहा था सर।
हैप्पी बर्थडे जी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मम्मी।
हैं? मतलब जवाब दोगे कि नहीं? मारा
Happy birthday to me.
तो
Happy birthday dear Kiran.
not bad.
नॉट बैड, नॉट बैड।
Chap chap.
Of course the flow is not the way
I
you
could
will
not
have.
make out anything.
That is because I don't have that flow. If I keep reading, I get a hang of getting the right way of reading it. Now you can read Hindi the way I can't.
Somebody
But
saying
you can
Hindi RIP.
But he can read English the way you can.
Somebody said Hindi RIP.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
Rest in peace, Hindi.
He should have said
RIP हिंदी। अभी एक बार RIP हिंदी भी लिख रहा है।
well, that's correct. That's correct.
PS Makeover 28 says RIP हिंदी।
Too good.
Yeah, RIP Hindi.
हैप्पी बर्थडे गेटिंग यंगर 18 लुकिंग 18। हैप्पी बर्थडे किरण मैम। संकेत बकौल। तो और कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं आप श्रीमान जी? अंग्रेजी में कुछ बोलना
मैं
चाहते
हिंदी में
हैं?
बोलूंगा।
अच्छा।
रंग भरे बादल से तेरे मेरे नौ के गाजर से मैंने इस दिल पे लिख लिया तेरा नाम
गाजर से।
चांदनी। So for many years I used to sing wrong lyrics,
अच्छा,
even though we spent so much time at Yashankar's house, and there also I used to sing
क्या?
रंग भरे बादल, मतलब जोर से,
हाँ,
रंग भरे बादल से तेरे मेरे नौ के गाजर से।
How does नौ के गाजर come in?
And it's insane because I was doing this for a while at home and
नैनो
all.
के
Firstly,
गाजर।
what is
क्या?
तेरे मेरे? No.
तेरे नैनो
She
के
corrected me.
गाजर।
She corrected me because one day she caught me.
Who?
Because mom.
हाँ।
Because I was like रंग भरे बादल से तेरे मेरे नौ के गाजर. See, firstly, गाजर might be understandable, but what the hell is नौ?
नौ के गाजर
तेरे
से।
मेरे नौ के गाजर से, and I'm singing it with. Yay, it is it. My mom says.
But why don't you
क्या
ask?
गा रहा है तू? क्या गा रहा है? तेरे नैनों के काजल से।
But why don't you ask mom to sing? She, I believe, sings very well.
Shut up.
Listen, don't make fun of my mother.
Yeah,
Okay?
especially on my birthday.
Don't make fun of her. She's a phenomenal performer and an actor.
But गाना भी।
गाना मतलब what? She's not a
तू
singer.
तो जाग गया था एक बार, जब तू याद है जब तू छोटा था
I don't know.
and she was trying to sing a lori for you.
I woke up and
You woke up and you said mama na mama na।
नहीं, I was trying to put him to sleep.
And then?
तो ये खड़ा हो गया कॉट में.
अच्छा,
He said, "Mama, naga, naga, naga."
ना गा।
I don't remember this.
No, because you were too small. You were in the cot.
Right.
You were
But,
about 1.5 or 2.
so it was a true emotion
Yeah.
of that sound.
I think it was probably you didn't want to be put to sleep. In retrospect.
Mhm.
ये तो गाय जी तो मतलब तुम मुझे सुना
Yeah,
नहीं
it's not that bad. You know what I'm saying? I can't
Not
be like
quite
Mama
bad.
Naga. But it's a very funny story actually, to be honest.
Yeah.
She's not that bad a
I'm
singer.
very bad. I
But you
can't-
dance, you have rhythm, and
Yes, I can
and
dance.
what an actor you are. somebody said a great compliment, which if I say now on Dad's Instagram, it might not work for him. But
Say it.
oh,
No, somebody must have said she's better actor than I am.
no.
That's okay.
No, that's fine. Of course, it's fine.
Of
You've done
course.
500 and something films.
Why are you people stating the obvious?
Yeah. They said, you know, the X factor that your mother has. That doesn't have. I said, Tamiz se baat karna.
Thank you so much for being
Sir.
part of this.
Thank you, guys.
थैंक यू सो मच 3,500 रुपया आप मुझे
और आप
बाइज्जत
पंजा करेंगे
मैं
20,000 का नहीं करेंगे
पैसे।
20,000 का करेंगे
क्या
मेरे
20,000
साथ
का पंजा करेंगे।
इंस्टाग्राम लाइव
हैं
हैं?
मेरे साथ तुमने इंस्टाग्राम लाइव
लिया मैंने लाइव दोपहर
एक
को
थैंक यू बोला बस
बस
somebody is ask Kiran ma'am to speak her favorite dialogue.
I don't remember that.
She doesn't remember.
You remember dialogues?
But I
The
don't
favorite
want
one
to
that
say-
they
I don't
like is
that.
Phulo Phalo, whatever.
And I know why to say that.
Yeah, I know. Act on.
मैंने कभी स्टेज पे नहीं बोले at any function.
अच्छा मैंने सोचा आपने जब प्ले किया आपने कुछ नहीं बोला stage
नहीं
पे।
नहीं that was Anupam.
मेरे
He used
some
to
people wanted to
go
see my
and
face, so I
forget his
just
lines
showed
so
them my
much.
face to them.
Anupam used to forget all his lines.
मैं तो ऐसे ही बन गया जी एक्टर एक्चुअली बात तो ये है मैं तो ऐसे ही बन गया पता नहीं कैसे तुक कैसे बन गया
इतने sarcastically बोलने की जरूरत नहीं।
आप कह रहे हो यू आर फॉरगेटिंग ऑल माय लाइंस
One second. You are
You used to forget all your
Dad,
lines.
1 second. Let me be very clear. You're a competent actor. There's no doubt about that.
कॉम्पिटेंट
I love it.
Competent?
I enjoyed that, didn't you, Mom?
No, little.
Dad, you're De Niro. De Niro is your friend.
That doesn't mean he's a great actor.
No, if you hang out with De Niro, you become better.
He's a good actor. No doubt.
That is a kick-ass.
Very good actor.
That is a phenomenal actor. Whatever, he's really. We had this chat earlier. Now,
Yeah.
what does this have to end with loving you?
No, okay, thank you so much. And my friends, it was wonderful
मेरा
to
opinion
talk to you.
किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं।
Happy birthday
मेरा-
to
मेरा
Kiran जी.
opinion क्यों नहीं पूछा?
किस बारे में?
तुम्हारी acting के बारे में।
आप थोड़ा टांगे थोड़ा ऐसे सीधा करोगे हाँ क्या है मेरी एक्टिंग के बारे में आपकी ओपिनियन
अच्छे एक्टर हो आप, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। You're a good actor.
देयर इज अ बट समवेयर कमिंग अप
नहीं।
ऐसी क्यों मुझे फीलिंग आ रही है कि आप अच्छे एक्टर बोलने के
तूने
बाद
कुछ फिल्मों में तुम बहुत अच्छे हो।
मैं तो कुछ ही फिल्मों में अच्छा हूँ बाकी में तो मैंने पैसा कमा के घर लाना था ना
No, but you know, it's very rare, Mom, to be very honest. It's very rare to get a chance of doing a role that is, those will be far and few between. You know, like good roles, good characters. I feel that. It's not always going to be there. But he's done, he's done Pinku.
Pinku I love.
Dil Ka Doctor is when I didn't want to go to school.
Why?
Did you see the poster? Dil Ka Doctor. That was,
Vulgar film it was.
it was very vulgar, the poster at least. I didn't want to go to school.
I might
But
be-
he's done that, but then he's done Dr. Dang, man, that young guy he was against Dilip Kumar. And he held
Saab.
it. He's an actor, I'm talking to him as Dilip Kumar as a star.
yes
Right?
but you're from an actor's family and
Right,
you're-
so I mean, but he's still Dilip Kumar. You know what I'm saying?
Of
Like,
course.
If I say that, you as an actor, when I'm saying that, you were a young guy in that film, and you're doing a scene against Dilip Kumar, and it's a hard
He's
scene.
a young guy in Saransh also. He was only 28 years old when he played a 60-year-old man. Can you believe it?
Tikandar,
So you're so
I'm
good
not
at
going to put
Saran.
you on to this now
But I loved him in
okay
Saransh.
now I'm
Okay,
going to
and
guys
Thank you. My father eventually got his way. We all said lots of love to him and
hang loose bolo
hang loose, brother.
hang loose bolo
Hang loose, brother. But I want to say one thing about your acting.
okay
You see, you sometimes have an urge because you come from theatre
uh-huh.
where you've been told to develop all these external things like gestures and this and that. तो तुम कई दफा उसकी फिजिकलिटी पे आप ज्यादा ध्यान दे देते हो जबकि आपको उसकी जरूरत भी नहीं होती कितनी बार मेरा यही कहने का मतलब है
okay
Advice is always good.
I'm very happy
Always learn, sir.
I'm very happy I'm a learning
एक आपका
actor
जो फेवरेट था जब आप पहले जरूर करते था को लगता था ये अंग्रेजी एक्टिंग है पता नहीं क्यों अब ऐसे करते
नहीं, but हम लोग बहुत सारे even I do
करते थे
it
ना?
happens sometimes it happens, man, whatever it's just until you find it, until you find
No,
the
he
character.
used to do it purposely. He's told me.
Yeah, but you do
He
it
used to
purposely
like
only
that-
until you
he
find
used
it.
to like that.
I
I don't know whether you are criticizing me or you are praising me.
I'm
I'm
doing
fi-
both.
No, but why?
No, she's saying it out of
Because
love.
why should I only
She's saying it out of
praise you?
affection. But my point is,
Why
for
should
an
I
actor,
only
until you
praise you?
find that spot, like I don't think he would have done that in Daddy. I don't think he would have done that in Saransh.
No.
He knew that he was in that character. Then it will come naturally.
No, I liked him very much in a film with Shekhar Kapoor and me, though he didn't get the director's card for it. Dushman was very
Dushman,
good in
yeah.
that. But I don't know.
But come on, man,
There
everybody's
was
not going to
another-
always be doing
There
kick-ass
was
stuff.
another very good film he was doing called Zamin, again with Mahesh Bhatt. वो भी बीच में ही रह गई थी ना, तो कुछ बहुत अच्छा काम बीच में रह गया था, which is sad.
I'm happy. I'm
I like
happy
you,
with
Rao Sahib,
God,
very
God.
much.
God has been very
But
kind
I've
to me.
always liked you in alternate cinema films. Have you realized that?
Yes, yes,
I
and
know
thank
when
you
people
so
say,
much.
"Didn't you like him in
Okay,
Zamin?"
now we can have the rest of the conversation after the
With us now.
live is over.
How many people
Why?
were watching that?
There are 2,125.
Oh, you have 2,000 people following.
No, following is less.
I mean, like watching is 2,000.
Yeah.
मेरे को भी देखना
आपको सब हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल रहे हैं
Thank you
Happy birthday,
everybody.
mommy.
और कुछ बोल रहे हैं ऐड करो हैप्पी बर्थडे किरण जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम, राम राम भी बोल रहा है कोई,
राम राम जी.
अफेक्शन एंड ब्लेसिंग्स.
Thank you
दोस्तों
so much.
अभी हम इजाज़त चाहते हैं आपसे. आज की सभा
जब भी
यहीं
आपको
समाप्त
भूख
हो.
लग पड़ी होगी, आपकी घंटी बज जाती है, खाना दे दो खाना दे दो खाना दे दो. आप हमारे साथ 15 मिनट भी नहीं बैठ सकते. खाना दे दो खाना दे दो खाना दे दो. मैंने ये घंटी फेंक देनी है बाहर.
वापस करना एक बार, खाना दे दो, घंटी बजाती वो.
खाना दे दो खाना दे दो.
What happens to Dad? Like you remember, I remember in the early days, whenever if we ever had like a evening or something over, and Dad would call people and directors over, and they'd have dinner, and then what would happen, Mom?
And then he would say, अच्छा मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ, and leave me with his directors.
And he would first do that walk. He pace it, like he'd get into his pajamas
Yeah.
and walk around there only, and bounce.
It was a very mean thing to do.
To
I've
who?
been tortured
To
to
who? He was
me.
mean to who?
To me, because he has had me sitting with people getting drinking.
That you
and
didn't
all.
want to hang with.
मैं तो ड्रिंक भी नहीं करती और मैं इतनी बोर हो जाती थी, but he used to make me do it because he couldn't.
और
do it.
उसका परिणाम ये निकला कि अब मुझे नींद ही नहीं आती है. उस समय मुझे बहुत, उन दिनों मुझे बहुत अच्छी नींद आती थी. दोस्तों ऑल द बेस्ट. अभी नहीं, अब इसके बाद कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ओके,
bye,
थैंक यू,
bye.
गुड नाइट. Lovely 2348 people joined us.